Sorry I haven't been posting, but I have been working on the car, and should have this thing out on the road here real soon, and be able to do a video on how it's running and getting it tuned. I had to get the paddle shifters installed so I can actually drive it sensibly and be able to watch all of my ignition and all that stuff as I'm driving it. So had to get a lot of stuff done to get it kind of roadworthy before I just hop in it and drive it up and down the road. So got some tires on it. Went with these are actually 215 50 16s because I'm running these old 129 wheels, these late model 129 wheels, but and then a 245 50 16 on the back. I went with the cheapest tires I could buy, just because I don't know how they're going to wear. I got to get this car sorted out, so I didn't want to waste a bunch of money on tires. I was thinking drag radials, but considering how much tread I get on a set of drag radials and how much I get on a set of cheap tires, I'll wear these out and burn these up and save the money for something down the road. But the car's filthy, so obviously it looks like crap. But I did get the paddle shifters installed, so paddles are in it. It's probably where I'm going to run the display for now, right there in the vent. This car is, I am setting this car up to have functional AC. It's just got a mock-up AC compressor on it right now, but I will get a functional AC compressor, and I'll just have my own controls for it. It'll be real simple, real easy to do, but it's getting very close. I've been preoccupied with that. I put another shop here, and that's just taken up a ton of my time. So I took some time off this week thinking I was going to be working on the shop and working outside, but man, it's been way too hot in the 90s. So I did work on the car a little bit and got it a lot closer. So I got a lot done. Had to do a bump stop kit on the steering, so I'm going to wait and see how that works out before I do any information on that. But just I had to reposition those tie rod ends, but I think it's going to work out perfect. The car's going to drive really nice. Still don't have the sway bar in it. Should fit just fine. Just worrying about other stuff. I got like a transmission cooler line leaking, so I've got to get that. I still want to do some cowling work with some sheet metal and come up with something for an air cleaner on it, just to be able to drive it. But man, we're really close. So I appreciate everybody's patience, and by all means, I'm always on YouTube, so if anybody's got any questions on this build, I'm still working on it, and I can still give you some feedback on everything that's going on. So thanks again, everybody, for checking it out, and we'll see you real soon.